Hi guys, good day. Now I'll show you how Hlookup works. So let's go. So here you'll see I have table from my 3 branches, sales for 5 days. And here I got this table looking for sales for day 4. So let's find it using Hlookup. So function Hlookup, go, then press OK. Now first thing, we need to find the lookup value, which is branch 3 H11 from table array, which table you want to find it. Select it, then row index, how many rows from the top row till we reach day 4 where you need to find it. So 1 2 3 4 5, day 4 we got 5, and range lookup 0. Okay, we got 3,600 for branch 3, day 4. Correct. Now if you want to drag it from left to right, and you will got this error. And let's see why this happened first. So when you drag it to right, everything moves. So let's double click, see the table from here, it's perfect. But in branch 2, it moves a bit to the right, then also here. So if you don't want it to move, you need to lock it. To lock it, you need to put $signs to both of it, or you can easily press F4 to have it lock. Alright, now we can drag it from left to right, and ta-da! We got it all correctly. Now let's try by typing Hlookup, open parentheses, which one you want to loop, branch 3, comma, from which table, this table, comma, how many rows from top row to day 2 is 1 2 3, so 3, comma, false, close parentheses, and we got 3 5. Thank you guys. I hope you like our video. Please like, share, subscribe, comment for any suggestions. That's all. Bye bye.